All right, so you've hired a contractor to pave your HOA or commercial parking lot, and he leaves and you're happy and it's all nice and black and pretty. Nice and smooth, nice and tight, black, beautiful. So after that, you're excited for a couple weeks to talk about your parking lot and your roads. And after that, they're forgotten about. So within 2 years to 3 years, all this will turn gray. The sun and the elements will bleach this out. And that's when the top 3/8 of an inch within 3 years gets brittle. This asphalt is not virgin material. It has recycled products in it called RAP, R-A-P, recycled asphalt products. So nobody still does anything. They just let it go, let it go, let it go. Then you hire a line striper because your lines don't look good. I want to restripe the parking lot. I'm not paying any attention to anything else. The parking lot's already starting to ravel. All these fine aggregates that make this nice, tight, and pretty end up leaving the surface, and they'll go to the low-lying areas where the water, the stormwater, washes them to a drain. Nothing gets done. You drive on it, the parking lot never gets cleaned. You had it restriped, it cost you a couple $1,000. You're happy. So now we're into 4 and 5 years, and you start seeing cracks in the parking lot. You say, well, I see cracks, I see separation, I might need to do something about that. So you wait 1 more year, then you hire somebody to come out and fill all the cracks. Well, the only thing you've done is you have filled the cracks so water can't intrude, but the problem still exists. The asphalt is still dry, it's very brittle, and it's only getting worse, and all the fines are still coming off of here. Asphalt expands and contracts. The older it gets, the more brittle it gets. I can't say it enough. Why would you spend that kind of money on a parking lot or a road and do nothing with it? You spend 80 grand on a car, you wash it, you change the oil, you rotate the tires, but asphalt's the last thing people want to talk about or get involved in. They spent thousands of dollars on it, and they don't care about it anymore. It's fine, looks fine, looks fine. Well, it may look fine, but it isn't fine. It's no different than your hands getting chapped and they start cracking. Well, you would do something about that because it's hurting you physically. Well, when asphalt gets dry and starts cracking, it's going to hurt you, but it's going to hurt you financially. And when you start experiencing potholes and you got to come in there and mill and pave and patch, it's going to hurt. You're going to open your checkbook up and it's going to be thousands of dollars. So I guess what I'm telling you is, why wouldn't we be proactive within, I'd say 3 years. Some say 2. I say let it go 3 years. And have the price already so you know what you're going to spend. You can budget for it. Have the parking lot treated. Have it rejuvenated. It penetrates into the blacktop. It builds the flexibility back in the pavement. And you go on. Then you can crack seal over top of that. And now we have learned, if you just crack seal the parking lot, I can go in there with a pair of pliers and yank it right out. But something we have learned is if I spray the parking lot with rejuvenator and then I crack fill, you can barely get it out with pliers. It comes out in little teeny tiny pieces. You can't pull the whole thing out. It's bonded into the surface of the asphalt. Pretty neat. Actually, a friend of mine told me about it. I was in the business for years, and he's been a great tutor to me in this business. He's taught me a lot. And I know he agrees with me. Why would you spend thousands of dollars and do nothing to the blacktop? So after you get it put in, go get you a price on what it's going to cost you to maintain this thing. Okay, in 3 years, we're going to have to rejuvenate this parking lot or this road. Why would you wait till you have to bring a milling machine in, especially some of these big homeowners associations? You're talking $500,000 to $1 million, and all the aggravation, the roads being shut down. Yes, it's a little challenging when we're in there rejuvenating it, but it's a day we have the road flip back around to you. We close it down one way, we shoot it, open it back up the next day. Unless the temperatures are cool, it takes a little longer. But keep in mind, when your hands get chapped and they start cracking, you do something about it right away because it hurts. Don't let this hurt financially to your wallet, to your business. You're going to have to spend money anyway, so why would you wait and have to get it crack sealed and all that stuff? And if I had it 3 years, if I had it restriped, I would automatically rejuvenate it first and then restripe it. The stripes are going to even look better, and you have to do something with the asphalt, or you can just let it go and just your parking lot looks messy with all these little black lines everywhere. Look like little black snakes all over it. And I mean, some of these high-end communities, I know they don't like that. But so this is just a core example of asphalt. You can see it's been compacted, but this is where we're focused on right here. This top part of this blacktop gets bleached out. That's when it starts cracking. All the fines come off of here. You go to your parking lot, look around the low areas, you'll see all the little fine aggregates there. You're like, wow, how'd that get in there? That's not dirt. That's stones out of your asphalt that you paid for. They're leaving there. They're going into the drain. It's money going in the drain. Well, that concludes this video. And if you want to check us out online, it's asphaltfusion.com. You can go on the rejuvenation page, check it out. You want a quote, reach out to us. We'll get you a quote, professional, email it to you. And at least get a budget number. You don't have to do it. Just get a budget number. See where your numbers are at. See what you're going to be spending. The proposals are free. Give us a call. Thank you for watching. Bye.